Want to transform your health in just 2 weeks? Let's embark on a journey where we revamp our lifestyle to embrace the potent power of superfoods. These nutrient-rich powerhouses can make a world of difference when incorporated into your daily diet. From enhancing vitality to boosting immunity, superfoods are the secret ingredient to a healthier you. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll explore how these dietary dynamos can impact your well-being. Stay tuned to discover the power of daily superfoods and the simple steps you can take to improve your health. So what are these superfoods you should be eating every day? Let's start with spinach, a leafy green packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Consuming a cup of spinach per day can help boost your immune system and keep your bones strong. Next, blueberries, a burst of antioxidants and vitamin C in every bite. A handful of blueberries each day can help protect against aging and cancer. Then we have almonds, an excellent source of heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Just a dozen almonds daily can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. And let's not forget quinoa, a complete protein loaded with fiber and magnesium. A half-cup serving, preferably at lunch, can keep you full and energized throughout the day. The nutritional content of these superfoods is undeniable and their benefits far-reaching. But remember, portion is key, and timing can maximize their health benefits. Remember, it's not just about eating these superfoods, it's about making them a part of your daily routine. Now, how do you go about transforming your health with these superfoods? It's simpler than you might think. Start by integrating these nutrient-packed foods into your daily meals. You might add a handful of blueberries to your morning oats, or sprinkle some chia seeds onto your lunchtime salad. Aim for small portions initially, gradually increasing as your palate becomes accustomed to these new flavors. This is not a race, but a journey towards better health. Consistency is key. Try to include at least one superfood in every meal. It's essential to have patience. Transformation isn't a switch that gets flipped overnight. It's a process, a gradual change that comes with regular, mindful choices. It's about the cumulative effect of small, daily actions that lead to big results over time. In just 2 weeks, you can start to see the difference. Your body will thank you for the burst of nutrients and the improved health. Ready to embark on this journey to better health? In a nutshell, transforming your health in just 2 weeks is as simple as incorporating daily superfoods into your diet. The benefits are phenomenal, from increased energy levels to improved mental clarity. And the best part, it's a seamless process. All it takes is a conscious decision to eat the right portions at the right times. Remember, the power to transform your health lies in your hands. Make the change today, and in 2 weeks, you'll be thanking yourself.